friends, we're going to be drawing Hunter and Willow from Owl House. So we're going to start with some good circles, plan out where their bodies are going to go, and where those big glasses are, where their eyes are. Okay, so you guys keep after it with your pencil. So I am gonna start with this one's big glasses. All right, and then this one is a little more narrow. So this one's bigger, this one's a little more narrow. And we've got some little eyeballs in here. Go. Like that. They're looking over there. We got some eyebrows. And we've got the head that kind of goes behind the glasses. And we got the face here. That. Got a little nose hole here, a little side smile, there's that. And then we got the hairline that comes around, and pointy ear, that, and the hair behind it. Comes around like that. Okay. Then we got the little neck, more hair. Oh, she's got, yeah, there's a braid there. Like so, and then this is the collar. Okay, I see it now. And then got a shirt. Another braid. So that, another collar. Okay, there's the one done. Now we're gonna go to the other side for the other character. So we've got some lines where the eyes start, and they come up. Guy looks a little scared. Go. Your eyebrows. And he's got his little fancy doodah hair here. Little eyebrow coming from behind that. And the head that comes down and to a point, comes back around, and then got some more hair here. Oh, that. He's got his pointy ear. And then we got a little nose thing there. And a mouth thing. And then he's got, I feel like I'm missing something. Oh yeah, top of the hairline. All right, there we go. That looks much better. Come here, out. Down and back up. And come down with this little shirt, his arm. And here's his other arm. Okay. And I think that about does it. There is Hunter and Willow from Owl House. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.